And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over the new Splashive user interface. The team at Splashive reached out to me to share their new site before I launch, just to get some feedback. And I did reach out to them when I was having problems doing their airdrop, and they were on it. And these guys are working hard. These projects are not easy to develop and to carry on. Not only are the smart contracts extremely complicated, but the site intertwined with the smart contract working together, it is some hard work. And then on top of that, you need to make it look nice. At the top, they have the home page, the whale, the tap, the splash pad, white paper by waves, tutorial, and to connect your wallet. Before I go over the app, this is what they send me. All major issues have been fixed on this, but we are welcoming feedback. We are also doing a 24-hour official launch event tomorrow afternoon starting at 4 p.m. UTC. For me, that's 9 a.m. Pacific time. No fees on buys, deposits, or compounds. With the new site, we can focus more on partnerships and future dApp developments. We will announce the details about the splash pad next week, as well as the P2E game that will open up 100 spots next week. So they are hinting there, P2E gaming and the splash pad. And I'm assuming the splash pad is going to be where you provide liquidity if you don't want to just outright buy the token or stake your tokens. You want to partake in the liquidity portion of investing, and I think that's what that's going to be about. But we'll see what this is about. Or it could be like a development launch pad. I don't know. I'm not sure what they have in store for us there. They stayed with the green and yellow and purple theme, but they did add a little bit of gradient, so it looks a little bit more dynamic. I'm warming up to the new site. It definitely does feel like an update. So Splashive is running this relaunch 24-hour launch event where there's no fees on buys, no fees on deposits, and no fees on compounds. So for those of you who are part of my team, you better believe I'm going to compound tomorrow. I will leave a link under the description of this video if you want to join my team. So this is the first time that I'm actually going to navigate through the site. Let's see if we do buy. Oh, it takes us to the well. We go to buy. Stake, it'll take us to the tap and the splash pad. This is coming soon. Let's scroll down. It shows how many players are part of Splashive, the current daily reward. The max supply is 1 million and there's 29,000 transactions. If we scroll down, we see the chart. This is pretty cool. And you can see the live transactions here. The buy and sells of Splash, the last 100 transactions. So this is a pretty neat feature. And at the bottom, you have social handles here, the audit paper. You can check that out. And they have an official Splashive single by DeFi proof. You can check that out as well. So let's go to the well. Here, you have the same information. You have the splash price, and you have the AVAX balance and the splash balance. So now it's easier to see since they did add these backgrounds. Instead of yellow font being on top of green, this is a lot more legible. And now this is how you buy tokens, and this is how you sell tokens. So let me connect my wallet. All right, I connected my wallet. Here you enter the amount of AVAX you're going to use to buy Splash. Let's just say I want to buy 2 AVAX worth of Splash, and it gives you the estimated receive there. You can see a little action there on the buy. And say you want to sell some of your Splash, you hit this tab here. So it's pretty cool, pretty easy there, and pretty intuitive. It slides pretty nicely. And they have the chart once again. Cool. So that is the well. Let's go to the tap. And the tap, you have the figures that you need to see right away. Available Splash, your deposits. And by the way, congrats guys. We're at 46 players now, direct, out of a total of 47 players. Thank you for those that have been joining and contributing. We're going to have a nice airdrop this coming Monday. And I'm going to compound some of these tokens tomorrow since there will be no fees. Here's a claim Splash, the rewards. The max payout, there's $21,000 there worth of available potential payouts. So that's pretty cool. Good job, team. And if we go down, you can hydrate here or claim. And it tells you here your splash balance and the splash price. And there is a 10% tax charge on deposits on the tap, but not when the site launches. There will be no fees for 24 hours. So that's going to create a lot of momentum. For those of you that are not part of Splash or thinking about getting into Splash, it might be a good time. We might see some euphoria tomorrow. This is where you enter my Wave Starter address. Links under the description of this video. You enter it here and you update it, and you make sure that the address shows up here after you update it. And that's how you join my team. Now, if we go down, you can look up for players. And here are the team tools for the team viewer and the team airdrop. I'm going to do this upcoming Monday. I'm going to wait to accumulate a few more Splash tokens and compound. Let's just see how it responds if we do this right now. So minimum directs, none. Minimum net deposits, I'll put 1 splash here. I have 0.642 splash. Let's just say I'm going to give 0.6. And let's see, get participants. And here are my numbers. And this is what I was looking for. This is what we want. We wanted a way where we can select individual accounts or select all the accounts and then process an airdrop. So it looks like they worked hard and they fixed it. And it's very clear here. You can see the wallets here. I applaud you guys for these adjustments. And here I would just put 46 and send it away. So we're gonna give it a try on Monday. I'm not gonna do this now, but this is great. This is one thing that made it very difficult. I was making spreadsheets for me to do airdrops and track them. I'm still going to continue to give 1 splash token per member. I've been writing down your guys' address. I'm going to continue that until everybody gets 1 splash, and then I'll be doing team airdrops. Pretty exciting stuff. So I'm going to release this video 1 hour before the launch. The launch is once again 4 p.m. UTC, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is my time zone. We might see the splash token potentially break $40 for the first time. That is the latest from Splashive, and shout out there to the Splashive team for making these adjustments and hearing us out and giving me the opportunity to test out this site for the first time. Here's my feedback. Everything is legible now, very easy to navigate, and the site feels very fluid. It used to feel very stiff before, and the airdrop portion looks amazing. So we're gonna have to wait and see how the gas fees will be for those bigger airdrops. Over time, I'm sure we can nail it down and make it efficient. If you made it this far, thank you very much. It's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.